Friends, welcome back to my channel. Nowadays many trending AI photos are going viral. You can also use the Gemini AI tool to create your own images and you can easily go through it. So I will show you a few simple steps to do that. So what you need to do is simply go to Google, and here you need to type Gemini AI and click on the first link that it opens. After that, here you need to click on this icon over here, then click on create images, and after that click on plus icon, and now click on upload files. Now click on photos and videos, and from here you need to select your photo, and after that here you need to write the prompt that you wish to. I will write the prompt here. Now you can see the image has been created over here, whatever I have written the prompt. So that prompt I will share in the description. So after creating it, you can easily download this. You simply need to click on option and the image will be downloaded. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.